Okay, this is for a math lesson. Let's pick this tool and draw a line from CZ or the blue marker. I'm gonna pick add a line and put it on the green. Now I'm going to draw a line somewhere onto on the map. Let go. Now I'm going to take this all the way down to the casino. What we're doing is we're making a triangle. Now we're gonna connect from the casino back to the green spot. So this is polygon one. Let's name this to one. Then we're going to save that change. As you can see, it does the area, which is 6.18 kms square meters. Now, what we want to do now is use another tool. See, this is a hand, so what I want to do now is make this into a square. That's not what it's doing. But the hand is moving things around here. Go to add directions. The ruler, let's we'll see how large this is. So we follow it from the center here. What do you mean? I don't know. Wait, let me finish this one. That's 112.2 kilometers. Now, how to get out of that? I don't know.
You're still trying to work it out?